Soak your feet in baking soda in combination with milk. The results are phenomenal. Many of us often have issues with rough heels and thick skin on the soles, but few of us can afford the money and time to enjoy a pedicure treatment. This bath will provide luxurious effects, since it makes miracles. Its biggest advantage is that it's easy and cheap to prepare, and of course, a natural remedy to treat your feet. In order to have perfect feet, is to pour half a liter of milk in basin. Then, add 3 to 5 tablespoons of baking soda to the milk. Soak your feet in this favorable mixture and enjoy your homemade miraculous feet bath. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.